Here are 32 billion things to help you become a better investor. We're diving into the weirdest investment theory of all time. Move over Wall Street because the real players are hiding in your gut. That's right, your gut, where tiny microbial creatures are sabotaging your finances. Ever made an investment decision that made you scratch your head and think, why the heck did I put my money there? Or why did I bail out when I should have held on? Well, turns out the blame might not be entirely on your financial wizardry. Picture this: your gut microbes, wearing tiny suits and wielding stock market charts, might just be the puppeteers of your investment decisions. Trillions of them, thousands of species. It's like Wall Street, but inside you. They've been around even longer than stock markets, evolving alongside us and outnumbering our own cells. And guess what? They're manipulating your portfolio behind the scenes. Imagine your gut microbes with a direct hotline to your brain, executing trades and playing the stock market. They're the unsung heroes and villains of your financial saga. These little critters not only maintain your physical health, but they're also playing mind games with your investment strategy. Scientists have been on the case, uncovering evidence that our gut microbes mess with our brain circuits and our behaviours. They can regulate the development of neurons, leaving lasting impacts on how our brains make financial decisions. They're producing biochemicals like serotonin, the Wall Street mood booster. Take lactobacillus. Take this little fella for example. In studies, this microbial whiz improves the mood of anxious mice. But block the signals from the gut to the brain along the vagus nerve, and the mood boost disappears. Now, mice without any microbiota, raised in sterile conditions, are more anxious investors. Give them antibiotics and they become hyperactive risk takers. It's like bacterial insider trading. But here's the golden nugget: you can actually change your financial microbiota. To find out how you can benefit, stay tuned to the end where we check in with Simon the Predictive Tortoise for his answer to all this. But just quickly, if you want to put your gut microbes to the test and dive into the glamorous world of investing, Robinhood's your best buddy. They've made it so easy, it's like the financial equivalent of a microwave dinner. Pop it in, press a few buttons and boom! You're in the investing game. And the best part, it's commission free. No sneaky costs hiding in the shadows. Whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or even those wild and woolly cryptocurrencies, Robinhood's got your back. And they even throw in some educational goodies to make sure you're not just blindly throwing darts at the stock board. So sign up for Robinhood and make those dreams of financial glory come true, all while sipping coffee in your pyjamas. Links in the notes below. Unlike your genetics, which you can't do much about, blame your parents for that one, probiotics, prebiotics, and eating more fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut can shift things in your gut's favour. Fermented foods, they're not just for hipsters, they're for your gut, your brain, and your financial success. In a microscopic study with 45 participants, those who went all in on fibre, prebiotics, and fermented foods reported feeling less stressed. So while you can't rewrite your financial history, you can give your gut a stock market makeover with a diet tweak and maybe some meditation. It's like a day spa for your belly bugs. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. If not for me, then do it for Simon. He's been promised a brain-boosting sauerkraut and caramelised onion enema if we get to 1,000 subs. Your gut microbes are the financial advisors you never knew you had. Give them some love, treat them to a feast of fermented delights like sauerkraut and kombucha, and who knows, maybe your next investment decision will be your smartest one yet. Simon, what should we be doing to make better investment decisions? Analysing stock charts, reading financial reports, or eating sauerkraut?